Welcome. In this video I will show you how to scan QR codes on MacBook Air M4. Since there is no free native tool on your MacBook to scan QR codes, we can use a third-party application for this, which you can download from the App Store. So first of all, open the App Store on your MacBook and search for the QR code reader, for example. This one, for example, QR code reader by Lily Cat. Tap Get here and wait until this application is downloaded. If needed, provide a password to your Apple ID or use a fingerprint ID. Then click open. If you have any offers inside this app, then skip them. The option will be at the bottom of the offer, and then select the QR code scan icon in the top bottom right corner of the application. Then you're gonna have to allow this application using your camera. So select open system preferences and switch this toggle to the right. Then provide a password to your MacBook. Click quit and reopen. Then wait until this app is reopened. And now you have to prepare the QR code, for example on your mobile device. Then click the scan icon once again. Then select camera. Tap allow once again, and now place the QR code, face it to your MacBook's camera, and the resource you were trying to reach using this QR code will automatically open in your web browser. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.